Introducing an all-inclusive, fully customized commercial maintenance program for your long-term landscape partnerships. Step 1. Consultation. We seek to listen and understand your property's unique needs and goals. Our experts conduct a thorough site inspection to provide accurate assessments of scope and size. Step 2. Proposal. We provide transparent proposals, including future work projections and customizable solutions for everything needed on your property. We prioritize future work, helping you plan for long-term proactive services and property enhancement. Step 3. Approval. Our team will present a full-scale production solution and plan for HOA review and approval. Step 4. Seamless transition. We ensure a smooth switch from the previous vendor to our team by acting as a fully invested consultant during the transition term. During our pre-contract start walkthrough, we perform our on-site handover that ensures a smooth knowledge transfer. We integrate with your property management team, working together seamlessly from day one. During the first 90 days, we will perform weekly, monthly site walks with an HOA representative to ensure that our plan is effective and our performance is exceeding expectations. Our clients trust us for proactive and effective commercial maintenance. Ready to find a long-term partner? Contact us today.